Hi juniors, the counselors will be coming to you via your English classes next week, and we need you to complete an assessment. It's called the Strengths Explorer, and I'll show you how to get to that. We will also be discussing your 4-year plan. Each one of you should have a 4-year plan in Naviance, and we're going to double check to make sure it's accurate, and we're going to be talking about courses that you're going to be registering for coming up here in December when we meet with you individually. You guys will have to sign up and meet with your counselors individually in order for you to request those courses for next year, your senior year. So to get your Strengths Explorer assessment, you're going to go to the About Me tab. You're going to click on My Assessments, and there you'll find the Strengths Explorer. Here is the assessment. You only can take this assessment one time, so please take it seriously. This should take you about 15 minutes or so to complete this assessment. We're going to be looking at this assessment's results next week when we come to your classroom and making sure that your strengths are aligned with your course plan that will align with your post-secondary plan. So please take this assessment before we get to your class. This assessment is due by this Friday, September 28th. Thank you.